Hey everyone, welcome back to Know How. Today's video is going to be one of the most important lessons for beginners. And even if you are not a beginner, you should still watch this carefully. Because today we are going to master something very simple, but extremely powerful. We are going to learn how to use am, is, and are. Now I know what you might be thinking. This is too basic. But let me tell you something honestly. Basic English is what builds strong English. And most people don't have a problem with advanced grammar. They have a problem with basic mistakes, small mistakes, repeated mistakes. And those mistakes come from things like am, is, are. So if you fix this today, your English will immediately sound better, more natural, more confident. So stay with me. And most importantly, don't just listen. Speak with me. Repeat after me. Pause the video when needed. Because English improves when you use it, not when you just watch. All right, let's begin. First, I want you to understand something very simple. Am, is, and are forms of the verb to be. Now don't worry about the grammar term. Let's keep it simple. These words help us complete sentences. They help us describe. They help us explain. They help us talk about what is happening. For example, if I say, I happy, that sounds wrong. Why? Because something is missing. Now listen to this. I am happy. Now it sounds correct, complete, natural. So these small words are very important. Without them, your sentence feels broken. Now let's start step by step. Let's begin with am. This is the easiest one. We use am only with I, nothing else. So whenever you say I, you must use am. For example, I am happy, I am tired, I am learning English. Never say, I is happy. Never say, I are learning. These are wrong. Always say, I am. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. I am ready. Say it again. I am ready. Now again. I am ready. Good. Now say, I am learning English. Again. I am learning English. One more time. I am learning English. Good. Now say, I am improving every day. Again. I am improving every day. One more time. I am improving every day. Excellent. Now we move to the next word. Is. We use is with he, she, and it. These are singular. That means one person or one thing. For example, he is my friend. She is happy. It is a book. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. He is working. Again. He is working. Now say, she is smiling. Again, she is smiling. Now say, it is easy. Again, it is easy. Good. Now let's repeat together. He is learning. She is improving. It is interesting. Again, he is learning. She is improving. It is interesting. Perfect. Now let's move to are. We use are with you, we, and they. These are plural. That means more than one. For example, you are learning English. We are friends. They are playing. Now let's practice. Repeat after me. You are doing great. Again. You are doing great. Now say, we are improving. Again. We are improving. Now say, they are working. Again. They are working. Good. Now repeat all together. You are ready. We are practicing. They are happy. Again. You are ready. We are practicing. They are happy. Excellent. Now let's make this very simple. Remember this. I am. He, she, it is. You, we, they are. This is your formula. If you remember this, you will not make mistakes. Now let's test. I will give you a sentence. You answer. I dash happy. Say the answer. Am. Good. He tired. Answer. Is. Good. They playing. Answer. Are. Perfect. Now let's go deeper.
We also use am, is, are with actions. This is very important. For example, I am eating. He is working. They are playing. This means the action is happening right now. Let's practice. Repeat after me. I am watching this video. Again.
I am watching this video. Now say, he is talking. Again. He is talking. Now say, they are learning. Again. They are learning. Good. Now say, I am improving. She is studying. They are practicing. Again. I am improving. She is studying. They are practicing. Perfect. Now let's talk about mistakes. This is very important because mistakes stop your progress. First mistake. I is happy. Wrong. Correct sentence. I am happy. Second mistake. He are my friend. Wrong. Correct. He is my friend. Third mistake. They is playing. Wrong. Correct. They are playing. Fourth mistake. I going to school. Wrong. Correct. I am going to school. Always use am, is, are. Now let's do a big practice. Repeat after me. I am a student. He is a teacher. They are friends. Again. I am a student. He is a teacher. They are friends. Now say, I am learning English. She is working. They are studying. Again. I am learning English. She is working. They are studying. Good. Now your turn. Speak. Make 3 sentences using I am. Pause the video and speak. Now make 3 sentences using he is or she is. Pause and speak. Now make 3 sentences using they are. Pause and speak. Good. Now let's make this real. Look around you. Say what you see. It is a table. It is a phone. He is sitting. She is talking. They are walking. This is real English. Now let's build confidence. Say this. I am confident. Again. I am confident. Now say, I am learning. Again. I am learning. Now say, I am not afraid of mistakes. Again. I am not afraid of mistakes. Good. Because mistakes are part of learning. Now let's do repetition practice. Repeat after me slowly. I am learning English. He is improving. They are practicing. Perfect. Now let's expand sentences. I am learning English every day. He is improving his skills. They are practicing together. Good. Now let's build fluency. Speak continuously. Say, I am learning English. I am practicing every day. I am improving slowly. I am becoming confident. Repeat. I am learning English. I am practicing every day. I am improving slowly. I am becoming confident. Excellent. Now let's talk about habit. Fluency comes from habit, not talent, not luck. Habit. So use these sentences daily. When you wake up, I am awake. When you eat, I am eating. When you walk, I am walking. When you study, I am studying. This builds natural thinking. Now, final practice. Repeat after me. I am ready. He is ready. They are ready. Again. I am ready. He is ready. They are ready. One more time. I am ready. He is ready. They are ready. Perfect. Now you understand am, is, are. Simple, clear, powerful. Now your challenge. Make 15 sentences using I am, he is, and they are. Speak them, not write. Speaking is the key. All right. That's it for today. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember, small steps every day lead to big improvement. See you in the next one.